Welcome to the studio again. So good to see you. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about what I'm working on right now. This is a window for Provo City. And it says Provo City Police Fire Dispatch. I took the idea from this little coin. And so just kind of a little pieces here and there. The little parts in here are a peace branch. And I think that's kind of what we need when we talk about our police department, our fire department. They help to bring peace to our community. So this is going in that building, and I am sandblasting stars, working on those right now, and also sandblasting these letters. And that's going to go in here. So this is kind of where I'm at right now. We're foiling, cutting a few last pieces, and I'll let you go, or let you know how it's going.
What?
Not blowing it down.
Did you blow it down? And is it still hooked up to the gun?
Yeah.
Is the hose on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It should be working. Yeah, and I didn't lose my thing, I don't think. Yeah, he's good.
Sweet. Okay, I started over here. I'm going around this outside circle. I have to push the glass over out of the way, and so it kind of has really weird gaps now, but I have to do that in order to get the metal in between here. And so see that, how far over it went. Later I'll be able to move it back. I use cans, paint cans, because I have them, and that'll hold the restrip down from popping out. Now, put it back in the bag. Keep it in the bag. It doesn't tangle up on you. Okay, here we are. Over and down. All right, I have to
What are you doing there?
Okay, this is bent, so I can put it in here. So we'll go up and over. Now this one will come straight along here and it'll make a...
Mom.
So now we've got one around the outer blue, and we've got this one. You see it starts here and goes over and then back. And now we're going to do one around the center circle. There. All right. I guess we're going to start it. Got to wrap all the way around on the inner ring, not the very inner ring, but the one here around the outside of the lettering, and then I'm going to go ahead and shoot. I've got to decide where to come out. So I think what I'm going to do is, see, I've got this, and I can come clear out to here, and that will give us a strength point. So I'll put that over there for a second. And I think I'm gonna push that guy over a bit. Come on. There we are. Okay. It's gotta go clear up to here. Because you can see, look here, we don't want a space that big, but that's normal if you shove everything across. So you just move them all out and everything will line up perfectly. Get a little flux on the stars and they kind of disappear, but they'll come back once I scrub it and it dries. I should say we scrub it. And then around the outside, there will be outer bar, and I'll push these little pieces over and solder them in place. Now then, okay, I'm going to leave that alone. Get up here. Okay, it's all tacked and ready to go. Fits just perfectly, and I think it's going to be a lovely window. We will be putting the outer bar on it, but I don't think that's a necessary instruction for you to see. All right. See you next time.